Have any of you already used our SVB302 Smart Articulating Borescopes? Based on your feedback and evaluations, our engineers have designed a new version of the SVB302. We have added more practical functions to better meet our customers' usage needs and expectations. To ensure you haven't forgotten anything, here's a brief introduction. The SVB302 is primarily used in the automotive repair and maintenance field. It supports the detection of hard-to-reach and narrow, curved spaces, such as the vehicle's evaporative center, combustion chambers, and catalytic converter sensors. It helps automotive technicians effectively locate vehicle faults, accurately diagnose them, and then in turn repair those issues. So, what improvements does the new version have, you might wonder? The new version features a camera with a diameter of 6.45 millimeters, slightly larger than the previous 6.0 millimeter model, which expands the field of view and provides an overall wider image. The depth of field range is 30 to 100 millimeters, wider than the previous 20 to 100 millimeters, accommodating more inspection needs. The new model has removed the built-in 20,000 mAh lithium battery and now powers through the phone, making the product lighter, more flexible, and easier to carry and use. Additionally, the new model supports 7 different types of connection cables, including Lightning and Type-C, which offers a simpler and more practical design compared to the previous model's multiple connection options. Any comments and feedback will be greatly appreciated, and we will do our best to improve the product for you, the customer, to enjoy.